For this problem here, we're told to multiply these two complex numbers, -7 plus I times -3 plus 6I. Well, we approach this the same way we would approach multiplying any other binomials, regardless of real or imaginary. So we FOIL it first, outer, inner, and last. Exactly the same way. So let's go ahead and do this, and then we will end up simplifying and working with the i's later. One important thing I always stress to students is the rules of math never change. Even though we may have imaginary numbers, but the basics of FOILing stay the same. And then the imaginary part we worry about later. So let's go ahead and FOIL that. When I get first times first, that's -7 times -3. That gives me a positive 21. Outer, -7 times 6i. 7 times 6 is 42, and then the I. So that's going to be, but let's not forget the negative, so that's going to be -42i. Now the inner, we have positive I and -3. That gives us -3i minus 3i. And then the last, I and 6i gives us 6i squared. So that's that. Now we're going to worry about what happens with the i's. So let's first simplify this here, the like terms. Treat the I like an x in this case, or any other variable. If I have -42x minus 3x, that just gives me -45x. So in this case, it's just I. Now we still have the plus 6i squared. Now remember, I squared is just -1, because I is defined as the square root of -1. So this here is just a -1. Let's rewrite this then. What we have is 21 minus 45i plus 6 times -1. Well, that's just 21 minus 45i minus 6. 21 minus 6 is 15, so we have 15 minus 45i. And that's our final answer. It has an imaginary part, so it's a complex number. It has a real part and an imaginary part. That's our final answer to this problem. Thank you very much for watching.